Okay, so now based on this information, let's work on examples. Okay. Let's do this. Let's say that remember we are talking on geometric sequences. So now we're going to do an example 1. So now you have 2, 6, 18, 54. This is your sequence, and the first question says calculate the general term. Remember we said that the general term is Tn. Do you still remember the formula?
Not quite.
Okay, I'm just gonna write it down for you. The formula for the general term of geometric is Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. That's the formula. All you have to do is to remember that this is your value of A, and to find the value of R, to find the common ratio, what do? We say R is equals to, do you still remember what will be R equals to?
R is equal to...
Let's go back to the notes. What is R equals to?
T2 over T1.
Exactly, T2 over T1. So you need to know which one is term number 1. This is term number 1. This is term number 2. This is term number 3. This is term number 4. So T2 is 6 divided by 2. So now what is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now therefore R is equals to 3, okay?
Yes.
Now your Tn, it will be A, we said is 2, times the value of R, which is 3. You put it inside the bracket to the power n minus 1. This is your general term. This is easy, right?
Sure is.
This is easy. This is easy. So now what we're going to do, let's add the second question, the question that we can expect in an exam. Let's say they want us to calculate the sum of 50 terms. Right. Remember now that they are talking about the sum. What you need to do, you need to say Sn is equals to n over, it's A into R to the power n minus 1, everything divided by R minus 1. So when you have this formula, you can just substitute, because you know what is your n, it's 50. You know what is your A, which is the first term, and we said A is 2. So this will be 2 inside the bracket. R was 3. Make sure that the 3, then to the power n, which is 50. Minus this by 1, divide everything by R, which is 3 minus 1. So you just have to work this thing out, punch it on the calculator to know what is the final answer. Okay? You still with me?
Yes, sir.
So now, very important, né? Listen to this. Because, look at this. Because that R does not lie. It does not lie between minus 1 and 1. So we can conclude and say that the sequence does not converge. Why? Let's go back. We said that if the value of R is between 1 and minus 1, the series will be converging geometric sequence. But in this case, the value of r is what? Is 3. 3 is not between 1 and minus 1. So the series does not converge. Since the series does not converge, we're going to say, therefore, we cannot do what? We cannot calculate the sum to infinity of this sequence. It's impossible for you to calculate the sum to infinity of this sequence. We only calculate the sum to infinity if the value of r is between 1 and minus 1. Because this sequence, it is not a converging geometric sequence. Is that making sense?
It is, sir.
100%. So all you need is for me to give you these notes so that you can go through the notes, okay?
Yes, sir.
100%.